The first monkeys in space were all named Albert.
Oh my God!
Albert 1 was a rhesus macaque monkey. Yes, you say it like rhesus macaque. He was put on a V-2 rocket in June 18, 1948, 3 years after World War II. Yes, that V-2 that Adolf used to bomb people with. So they launched him into space, but then a valve failed. So he didn't quite make it that high. He only made it to 39 miles, which is below the Kármán line, which means he wasn't in space.
So technically he was not a space monkey.
Then, on re-entry, his parachute failed, and his HVAC unit failed, so unfortunately he died.
Then comes Albert II, another rhesus macaque. He was put on yet another V-2 rocket, and he was launched June 14th, 1949, and this time they went 83 miles above the Kármán line, so we have the first confirmed space monkey. But don't forget, he was a rhesus macaque, not a chimp.
Unfortunately, on re-entry, his parachute failed, and he died.
Then comes Albert III, a crab-eating macaque, on another V-2 rocket, September 16, 1949, but it blew up! And he only made it to 35,000 feet under the Kármán line.
So technically not space monkey.
Then comes Albert IV, another rhesus macaque. And he was launched on another V-2 rocket, December 8, 1949. And he reached 130 kilometers above the Kármán line. So we have yet again the second confirmed monkey in space. Hoo yeah!
Unfortunately, on re-entry, his parachute failed, and he died.
The year is 1951, and we are now using Aero B rockets. Then comes Albert V, the mystery monkey. NASA only says this. On April 18, 1951, a monkey possibly called Albert V died due to parachute failure. That's all they say. Then comes Albert VI, and he has his own name, Yorick. We believe he was a rhesus macaque. However, we have no pictures of him. He was launched with 11 mice September 20th, 1951, and guess what? He went 72 kilometers, 44 miles below the Kármán line, which by United States standards still qualifies him as a space monkey. And guess what? He did something else. He was the first who survived the landing. Congratulations, finally somebody survived the landing. And this makes him the third confirmed space monkey. But upon landing, his heating and ventilation unit failed, and he had to wait 2 hours to be recovered.
So he died waiting.
And there you have it, my friends. The first 6 space monkeys were all rhesus macaques. They were all named Albert, and the even numbers all made it to space. So, what's the moral of the story? If you have a monkey, don't name him Albert, because